Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's night black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels we've got 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, CLA 250 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also comes with smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. This one also does come with the convenience package, which is going to give you auto dimming mirrors, garage door openers, a rear view backup camera, black matte ash wood trim, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate zone, cup holders. This CLA has 12,414 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA, check out feldmanimports.com.